Hi, my name is Dr. Bob Convissar. I've been practicing dentistry for 46 years and laser-assisted dentistry for over 36 years. I have more than 15 lasers in my office: diodes, NDX, erbiums, CO2s, and PBMs. I want to invite you to a special course at the New Jersey Health Professionals Development Institute on December 4th and 5th. It's a course called Laser Dentistry from A to Z. It is the only course in the world that will show slides and videos and case histories using every single wavelength that I just mentioned, because I own them all and I use them all. It's the only course in the world that allows dentists to sit for certification by the American Board of Laser Surgery, the world's most authoritative certification body for plastic surgeons, dermatologists, and yes, dentists that use lasers in their private practice. The course will go over laser use in non-surgical, surgical, and regenerative periodontics, pediatric dentistry, orthodontics, oral surgery, oral pathology, oral medicine, fixed prosthetics, removable prosthetics, implant prosthetics, and implant surgery, cosmetic dentistry, operative dentistry, facial aesthetics, snoring, sleep apnea, laser practice management, PBM lasers, infant tongue tie release, and so much more. I hope to see you at the New Jersey Health Professionals Development Institute on December 4th and 5th for this 2-day hands-on workshop with multiple lasers, multiple wavelengths, multiple manufacturers. See you then.